Okay guys, so this is one of the staterooms on the Norwegian Joy. So as you enter, this door here will take you into the bathroom. I'll show you that after. So here we have a double bed here, looks like a queen size. Here you have a closet. So this is a closet area here. Inside the closet you have a safe. You have shelves here on this end. Okay. And then here we have the hangers. You have these two lights here at the side. Let's see how to put that on. There you go. Okay. Now at the side here there's one USB port. And I'm assuming on the other side, we will also see a USB port. So in this room now, the couch here can open up into a bed. So we have our son with us. So this is where he'll be sleeping. So let's just double check that on this side, we also have a USB port. Oh, yes, we do. So we also have a USB port on this end as well. Okay, so here you have a TV. Let me see if I can stop here. I have my bags in the way. So here you have a TV here. Here you have your phone. And these are the only outlets that you have. As you can see, you only have 3 power outlets. So that's why it's good to work with a cruise approved multi-purpose outlet adapter, which I will show you guys, which I got. And then here you have the balcony here, okay? Okay, and that is Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. So because they only have, like I said, 3 outlets, if you purchase something like this, which is cruise approved, I will leave a link in the description for this one, because this one also has some extra USB ports, because like I said, they only have 1 each on the side of the lamps. You might want some more. This will allow you to get more. So if I plug this in here, now I can have 2 more USB ports on this side, and I think we have a USB-C as well. So getting one of these, you get an extra 2 USB ports in order to charge everybody's devices. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for this. Let's head over to the bathroom and take a tour of that. Oh wait, before we do that, I forgot to show you guys over here. So here you have the fridge. Is it locked? No. This is a fridge here, but of course you will have to pay if you use any of these things, right? So you have a fridge here, and you have a hair dryer here, and this stool, you have a stool here, right? I guess it can use as a double as a table. So if you pull it out, you can put a laptop here and use as a table, sorry, as well. Okay, so you have storage area here. There's storage here. You have storage here. And you also have storage on the couch here, which was converted into a bed. You have drawers here as well. So there are 2 pull-out drawers. See that? That you can use as storage. Alright, so here we have the bathroom. So here you can see the shower. So we have a shower here. Okay. We have the shower. We have the toilet. We have some shelving here, as you can see. storage there as well. Of course, you have a sink. Oh, here you have hand soap, and in the shower you can get conditioner and shampoo and body wash. All right, so that's it. So that's it, guys. That's the tour of the Norwegian Joy stateroom.